Hi all, welcome back to my classroom. In today's video, I will be discussing some questions based on the topic triangle. So, we will be discussing all the questions from the basic level question to higher level questions. So, before starting, if you like my videos, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So, let's get started. We will be discussing all the points related to this topic while doing the problems. So let's get started. So our first question is, check whether a triangle can be formed with the given length of the sides. So in our question, 3 sides are given. So we are asked to find out whether we are able to form a triangle with the given length of the sides. So first point which we have to keep in mind is, for constructing a triangle, the sum of length of two smaller sides must be greater than the third side. So consider the first option. Here first option is 5, 6, 7. Here the smaller sides are 5 and 6. So just take the sum of 5 and 6. It will be 11. We know that 11 is greater than 7. That is 11 is greater than the third side. So with these values we can construct a triangle. So to construct a triangle, the sum of any two sides must be greater than the third side. Now consider the second option, 4, 8, 15. Here when we add 4 and 8, sum is 12. We know that 12 is less than 15. That is 12 is less than the third side. So with these values we cannot construct a triangle. Now the third option is 1, 2, 3. We know that 1 plus 2 is 3 and that is equal to 3. Again, sum of two sides is not greater than the third side. Always remember that the sum must be greater than the third side. So with this value also we cannot construct the triangle. So here the option is option A, 5, 6, 7. This point is clear to everyone. Now let's see the second question. Angles of a triangle are in the ratio 2:3:5. Then find the smallest angle. So here the ratio of the angles of a triangle are given as 2:3:5. So the next point which we have to understand about triangle is, the sum of all the angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. So 180 degree is divided in the ratio 2:3:5. That is, it is divided into how many parts? 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 5, 10 parts. That is, 10 parts is equal to 180 degree. So from this, one part will be equal to 180 by 10. That is equal to 18 degree. And now we are asked to find out the smallest angle. So how we can find the smallest angle? So in the ratio, the smallest part is 2, right? Here the ratio is 2:3:5. So the smallest angle is corresponding to the smaller value, that is 2. So how to find the angle? 2 into one part, we know it as 18 degree. So 2 parts will be equal to 2 into 18, 36 degree. Now if the question is to find out the largest angle, how we will solve for it? Here from the ratio, the largest part is 5. So the angle will be 5 into value corresponding to one part is 18. 5 into 18 will be equal to 90 degree. Moving on to the next question. The base of a triangle is 20 centimeter and its height is 25 centimeter. Find its area. This question is very simple. Here the base of the triangle is given as 20 and height is given as 25 centimeter. We are asked to find out the area. What is the equation? Find the area of a triangle if the base and height is given. It will be half into b into h. Here half into base is 20 and height is 25. So 2 and 20 we can cancel. 10. 25 into 10 will be equal to 250 centimeter square. Hope this is clear to everyone. Next question. If the sides of a triangle are 20 centimeter, 30 centimeter and 40 centimeter. Find its perimeter. So, what is perimeter? Perimeter means sum of all the sides of the triangle. Here the sides are given as 20 centimeter, 30 centimeter and 40 centimeter. So, what will be the perimeter? Sum of all sides, that is 20 plus 30 plus 40, that is 20 plus 30 is 50, 50 plus 40 is 90. 90 centimeter will be the perimeter. Next question, if the ratios of sides of a triangle is 1 by 2 is to 1 by 3 is to 1 by 4 and its perimeter is 39 centimeter, find the smallest side. So here in this question, ratio of sides of a triangle are given as 1 by 2 is to 1 by 3 is to 1 by 4. But it is given as the ratios of fractions. Making the calculations easier, you have to convert that to a whole number. So for that what we have to do? Just take the LCM of the denominators, that is LCM of 2, 3 and 4. So, how to find the LCM? It is very simple. That is, always take the larger number. Here it is 4. Check whether 4 is divisible by the other two numbers. 4 is divisible by 2, but it is not divisible by 3. So, 4 is not the LCM. Now, what we have to do is take the next multiple of 4. That is 4 into 2, that is equal to 8. Check whether 8 is divisible by 2 and 3. Again, 8 is divisible by 2, but 8 is not divisible by 3. So, 8 is not the LCM. Now, again take the next multiple of 4. That is 4 into 3, 12. Now, check whether 12 is completely divisible by 2 and 3. 12 is completely divisible by 2 and 12 is completely divisible by 3. So, the LCM is 12. We got the LCM as 12. Now multiply each fraction with 12. That is 1 by 2 into 12. 2 and 12 can be cancelled. We will get it as 6. Next one is 1 by 3 into 12. 3 into 4 is 12. So 4. And the third one is 1 by 4 into 12. We know that 4 into 3 is 12. So we will get the ratio as 6 is to 4 is to 3. In the question, the perimeter is given as 39 centimeter. We know that perimeter is the sum of all the sides of a triangle. So, it means that this 39 centimeter is divided in the ratio 6 is to 4 is to 3. That is, it is divided into how many parts? 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 3, 13 parts. 13 parts is equal to 39. From this, one part will be equal to 39 by 13, that is equal to 3. Now, our question is to find out the smallest side. So, from the ratios, the smallest side will be corresponding to that of 3, right? So, what will be the value of the smallest side? It will be 3 into value of one part is equal to 3. So, 3 parts will be equal to 3 into 3, 9 centimeter. Moving on to the last question. Is it possible to form a right triangle with the given sides? We have to remember about the right angle triangle is always one of the angle will be 90 degree and the side opposite to 90 degree will be the hypotenuse, and also hypotenuse square will be equal to base square plus altitude square. Now, from the values given below 6, 8, 10, here always the longest side is the hypotenuse. So, from these values, the length of the hypotenuse will be equal to 10. And the right triangle, hypotenuse square will be equal to base square plus altitude square. So, here 10 square is equal to 100. We have to check whether it is equal to 6 square plus 8 square. 6 square is 36. 8 square is 64. 64 plus 36 is equal to 100. So, hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus altitude square in this case. So, with these values, we can construct a right angle triangle. Consider the next question, that is 2, 3, 4. We know that longest side will be the hypotenuse. So, length of hypotenuse is 4. Now we have to check whether hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus altitude square. We know that 4 square is equal to 60 and 2 square plus 3 square. 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9. So 4 plus 9 is equal to 13. They are not equal, so we cannot construct a right angled triangle with this values. So to construct a right angle triangle, always the hypotenuse square must be equal to base square plus altitude square. We have discussed some of the questions related to this topic. I will be coming back with more questions related to this topic. Till the next time we meet, it's bye from Rishmi Elias. Thank you all and stay safe.